What if I told you that one of the most overlooked businesses in construction doesn't require years of building experience? Construction cleanup is a booming industry, and the right contracts can generate thousands of dollars per project. First, post-construction residential cleanup. After a new home is built or renovated, builders need every surface dust-free, windows spotless, and debris removed before handing the keys to the owner. These jobs often pay well because builders work on tight deadlines. Second, commercial building cleanup. Offices, retail stores, schools, and medical facilities require detailed cleaning before opening. Large commercial spaces can turn into high-value contracts, especially when completed on schedule. Third, renovation debris removal. Contractors frequently outsource the removal of drywall scraps, wood, packaging, flooring, and other construction waste. Efficient crews with the right equipment can complete multiple jobs each week. Fourth, final builder's detail clean. This premium service includes polishing fixtures, cleaning glass, removing paint splatters, vacuuming vents, and preparing the property for inspection or sale. Builders are willing to pay top dollar because presentation matters. Here's the key to winning these contracts: be reliable, carry proper insurance, respond quickly to requests, and consistently deliver high-quality work. Build relationships with local contractors, renovation companies, property developers, and real estate builders. They often need dependable cleanup crews for every project they complete. Construction cleanup isn't glamorous, but it's a service every completed project needs. The more efficient your team becomes, the more jobs you can complete and the faster your business can grow into a profitable local operation. If you're looking for practical business ideas with real earning potential, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, we reveal overlooked opportunities that can help you build a stronger income and a successful business.